Yeah. Yeah.
That's what we filled on it.
I know, I'm telling you.
I thought it was all going to be new.
Wow.
We're going to get hit by a front in a second.
Yeah, we're gonna get hit. Oh, sorry, I gotta go. Go on then, do
You're
it.
going to get your last shot.
Do it? Here we go.
Here it is, we're about to get smashed.
How's that?
Okay, you better go.
There's no shot once it hits anyway.
Yeah, you better go. Because lightning risk goes up.
Alright, mate, cool.
See ya.
See ya.